so before I get started, I need everybody to go down to the bottom, hit the subscribe button or wherever the subscribe button, if you're watching on your phone, your laptop, tablet, whatever the fuck you're watching on. Don't ask me what the fuck I got on. I'm just in bummy today because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. But I figured I'd make a video because why not? Well, really I'm making a video because I ain't uploading in a while and I really ain't got nothing to upload. So I'm just making this video just to see if people will watch what I do on a day-to-day basis, which what I'm finna do, I don't do every day. So I don't even know what the hell I'm finna do. I'm not in the Charger, so it's not one of them videos. It's windy as shit. It's cold as hell because a cold front came through last night. So can't really fly the drone, but I need, because of the wind, it made me think I need a dead cat for my microphone because I know y'all probably heard all that wind. So I'm gonna go to Best Buy, see if I can find me a dead cat. So yeah, see y'all when we get to Best Buy. Damn, you know what I just thought about too? I need to see if I can find me one of them, you know, the little, I don't know if y'all know the little triple suction cup mount thingies that you put on the windshield, so I don't have to hold the camera while I drive. Because sometimes, okay, unplug. Sometimes they can be annoying. But yeah, let me go in here. I'm at Best Buy, cuz. See if I can find me a dead cat. Let's see. Probably would have helped if I would have looked on their website or called first, because I'm not seeing what I'm looking for. At all. But man, they don't even have like the triple suction cup mount thingy, so whatever, dude. Guess I'll go find something to cook and get out of Best Buy. If I spend some money I don't need to spend. Alright, so no suction cup mount, no damn dead cat for the microphone to cut out the wind noise, so guess I'll head to the damn store, find something to eat, so yeah. Alright, so bad news. So went to fill this car up, fill the truck up, then I went to fill my car up. Then I went by the auto parts store, I went by AutoZone to buy some oil because I was gonna change my oil today, you know, make it part of this video. And I wasn't recording when it happened, but my transmission blew up. Well, I'm not gonna say it blew up, but yeah, it's not working. It's making a loud noise, so pretty much my transmission is done with. So right now I had to come to the house, grab the truck, go back out to the car, wait on the tow man to pull up so he can tow my car and I can get the transmission replaced. So see y'all when we get to the car. All right, so that's so depressing, bro. So I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. But as I can see, like I said, stop, got some oil. I was finna change the oil. And yeah, went to leave AutoZone and the transmission went kaput. So if you listen, crank up, perfectly fine, nothing. Put it in gear, it's rolling forward. Put it in drive, and oh shit, it moved. But reverse, nothing. So, let's see if we can hear anything. No loud noise. The loud noise is only happening when I tried to force it to go. But No smoke, no ticking, none of that. There isn't a leak, it's not leaking. So, I don't know. So it's not leaking, not making any noises, nothing. So right now, just gonna sit and wait for the tow truck to pull up. I'll get back with y'all when the tow truck get here. Cold as shit, but tow truck here. So yeah, let's see if we can get this towed away. It's cold as shit. I did kind of pick the worst place to try to, yeah. Remember I said this wasn't gonna be an eventful video? Well, here goes some eventful shit for y'all. Yeah, I ain't had no choice. Cause I was gonna try to turn right here, but it was a car on my ass and I ain't want to just slam on brakes. So, called another tow truck driver, same exact truck. Said he couldn't do it. Now, it's through the insurance company, AAA. He talking about he don't want to be held liable. I said, don't worry about it. I said, I know it's low. I know it's going to catch a little bit. I said, I done put it on like 2 or 3 of these. It's going to make it. I won't do it. Yeah, that's what I said. He just didn't want to do it. He ain't want to deal with it. That's all it was. I like this guy right here. Confidence. You gotta be confident, baby. Put it in. You want me to go ahead and put it in neutral? You want me to go ahead and put it in neutral? They ain't tight nothing down. Yeah, let's get it hooked up. What you need?
No, right now, but when I get it on my side, you gonna steer it.
All right. So I'm gonna have to get in and steer. Oh. Yeah. All right. So, just gonna get it on this tow truck.
You got it in the center, you got it in there good.
Oh, is that the way you want it? But like I was telling y'all before, we finally got it up here. No leak, no nothing. I don't get it. No wet spot, nothing. It's just, I don't know. All right, so we got it on the tow truck. It's cold as shit. It will pick the coldest day out of the damn shit. We'll pick the coldest day. Oh, turn on. Out of the year to do this. But yeah, said it was gonna be an uneventful video and my transmission decided otherwise. So we're about to go take it to get dropped off and that'll be that. Oh my God, why does it keep turning on? I'm gonna pull out so he can be able to get out. So he can get out. This should work a whole lot easier. Four-way blinkers, yeah. There she goes. My baby on the back of a tow truck. Lord Jesus. But yeah, so headed to drop her off. See y'all when we get there. He missed the turn, but buddy cool as shit, so I ain't tripping. And it ain't like I'm in a rush. Okay, camera, I'm in drive right now. But yeah, so here you go. Yep. What a day. And then it's almost dark, so it's pretty much finna be my day.